When it comes to installing a new roof in Sterling Heights, one of the most important decisions you can make is ensuring that the installation process goes smoothly. While roofing is a critical part of your home's protection, it's easy for even experienced contractors to make mistakes during installation. These mistakes can lead to costly repairs, roof failure, or even potential safety hazards. Being aware of these common mistakes and how to avoid them can help you make informed decisions and ensure your new roof lasts for many years to come. Incorrect material selection. One of the most common roofing mistakes is choosing the wrong material for your home. Many homeowners may not realize that the type of roofing material they select should complement not only the aesthetic of their house but also the weather conditions in Sterling Heights. For instance, materials like asphalt shingles are popular because of their affordability and ease of installation, but they may not be as durable in areas prone to heavy winds or snow, which is typical of Sterling Heights climate. To avoid this mistake, work with a reputable contractor who can recommend the best roofing materials based on your home's needs. Whether it's asphalt shingles, metal roofing, or tile, it's essential that your materials are not only cost-effective but also suited to the local weather conditions. Poor ventilation system. Improper attic ventilation is a common problem in poorly installed roofs. Without proper airflow, heat can get trapped in the attic during summer, causing the shingles to deteriorate prematurely. In winter, inadequate ventilation can lead to the formation of ice dams, which can cause serious damage to the roof and even lead to water leaks. To avoid ventilation problems, make sure your roofing contractor installs both intake and exhaust vents to create a balanced airflow. A well-ventilated attic will help prolong the life of your roof, prevent moisture buildup, and save you money on energy bills by maintaining proper temperature regulation. Skipping the underlayment layer. The underlayment is a critical barrier between the shingles and the roof deck. It provides an extra layer of protection against water infiltration, wind damage, and leaks. Skipping or improperly installing this layer is a mistake that can lead to water damage, especially in Sterling Heights, where heavy rain and snow are not uncommon. Be sure to ask your contractor about the underlayment being used and ensure that it meets industry standards. A high-quality underlayment can significantly increase the lifespan of your roof and prevent costly water damage in the future. Improper flashing installation. Flashing is essential for sealing joints and valleys where water is likely to collect, such as around chimneys, vents, and skylights. Improper flashing installation is one of the leading causes of roof leaks. Without proper flashing, water can easily penetrate your roof, leading to structural damage and mold growth. To avoid flashing issues, make sure your contractor uses the right materials for flashing and installs them correctly. It's important to choose flashing that is compatible with the roofing materials used and to ensure the installation is done by a skilled professional who understands the intricacies of flashing design. Not hiring a licensed and insured contractor. Another common mistake is hiring an unlicensed or uninsured contractor. While it may seem tempting to hire a cheap contractor to save money, this can lead to problems down the road. An unlicensed contractor may not adhere to local building codes or safety regulations, leaving your roof vulnerable to damage. Additionally, if an accident occurs on your property during installation, you could be held liable. To protect yourself and your home, always hire a licensed, insured, and reputable roofing contractor. They will have the necessary experience and qualifications to ensure your roof is installed properly, and you won't have to worry about legal or financial issues later on. Improper nailing techniques. Nailing is one of the most crucial aspects of roof installation. If nails are placed too high, too low, or not securely enough, they can cause shingles to lift or shift, leading to leaks or damage. In Sterling Heights, where wind can sometimes be a concern, improper nailing can result in the roof losing its integrity during a storm. To avoid this, make sure your contractor follows the manufacturer's guidelines for nail placement. Nails should be driven in straight, at the right depth, and in the proper location to ensure the shingles stay secure. Neglecting regular inspections and maintenance. Finally, even after a roof is installed, neglecting regular inspections and maintenance can lead to long-term problems. A new roof may look great initially, but without proper maintenance, issues can arise over time. It's important to have your roof inspected at least once a year and after significant storms to catch potential issues early. By staying proactive and scheduling regular maintenance, you can identify small problems before they turn into expensive repairs, helping your roof last much longer. Conclusion. Roof installation is a significant investment for any homeowner in Sterling Heights, and avoiding common installation mistakes can ensure that your roof serves its purpose for many years. By selecting the right materials, ensuring proper ventilation, and working with an experienced contractor, you can avoid costly mistakes and enjoy a durable, reliable roof. Remember, the time and effort spent ensuring your roof is installed correctly will pay off in the long run, providing peace of mind and protection for your home.